How did pioneering wheel development reduce friction? Have you ever wondered how something as simple as a wheel transformed the way we move things? The development of the wheel was a major turning point in human history. It significantly reduced friction, making transportation easier and more efficient. Before the wheel, heavy objects were dragged on sledges. This created a lot of friction between the object and the ground, making it hard to move anything heavy. When wheels were introduced, they changed everything. Instead of sliding along the ground, objects could now roll. Rolling friction is much less than sliding friction. This simple change made a huge difference in how loads were transported. Initially, people used simple rollers to move heavy loads. However, these rollers had their own challenges. The friction was still present at the point where the roller met the ground. This friction was difficult to manage because the ground surface was often rough and uneven. To solve this, innovators created grooved rollers. This design shifted the friction from the roller-ground interface to the roller-cart interface. With this new design, it became easier to manage friction. The surfaces of the rollers and carts could be smoothed out and maintained. Lubricants could be applied in the grooves, which helped reduce friction even more. This innovation allowed for a significant decrease in the coefficient of friction, making transport smoother and more efficient. As the design evolved, the grooved rollers led to the creation of the wheel and axle system. This system allowed the wheel to rotate around a fixed axle. By doing this, the contact area between moving parts was minimized, which further reduced friction. The size of the axle was also important. A thicker axle increased friction, while a thinner one reduced it but could be weaker. Early wheelmakers found a balance by creating narrow wagons with short axles that maintained strength while reducing friction. The wheel and axle system provided better mechanical advantage. This meant less force was needed to move heavy loads. Over time, further improvements like spoked wheels and iron rims made the wheels even more efficient and durable. The introduction of lubricants that could be effectively applied to the wheel-axle interface also played a role in reducing friction. In summary, pioneering wheel development reduced friction in several ways. It changed motion from sliding to rolling, which naturally has less friction. It shifted the friction surfaces to more manageable interfaces. Grooves were introduced to hold lubricants, and the wheel and axle system minimized contact friction through rotation. The careful sizing of axles balanced strength and friction reduction. Innovations like spokes and iron rims improved performance and reduced wear. These advancements were essential in shaping transportation and trade, marking a major milestone in human technological progress.